Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build for the beta channel, which is the build 26120.4161. This build has a few new interesting features and improvements that we're going to cover in this video, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, for Copilot Plus PCs, Microsoft is adding a new Microsoft 365 text action and click to do, and of course, as I've said, this is only for Copilot Plus PCs. More info about this in the official Microsoft blog post. Also, Microsoft is adding a new option to choose what lock screen widgets appear, and they are beginning to roll out more widgets options on the lock screen, as well as support for lock screen widget personalization. You can add, remove, and rearrange lock screen widgets such as weather, watch lists, sports, traffic, and more. And this, of course, can be done from settings, personalization, and lock screen. Inside the Widgets Board, Microsoft is adding multiple dashboards, and with the introduction of the new navigation bar on the left, you can switch between a dedicated widgets dashboard and other integrated dashboards like My Feed. Of course, this is slowly rolling out, and depending on the location of your widgets board and also on the taskbar, you'll see different experiences for the widgets board. Now, I think something that not all users will like is the fact that Microsoft is trying out showing recommendations from the Microsoft Store within the Open With dialog. So for example, I'm going to open the File Explorer, go to Pictures, and then right click on a picture, then go to Open With, and then choose another app. You'll notice that on certain file formats, you're going to get a suggestion or a recommendation from the Microsoft Store to open an app. For example, this is being an image. I have a recommendation for Ultimate Photo Editor from the Microsoft Store. And then if I click on this, I have the button Get, and most likely Microsoft Store will be opened up directly into that application. Microsoft is also beginning the rollout of a new PC to PC migration experience in Windows. You'll start to see the landing and the pairing page in the Windows Backup app, giving you a first look of what's coming. In the full experience, basically, you'll be able to transfer your files and settings from your old PC to the new one during the PC setup process. Support during the PC setup will be available in a future update. Inside the Settings app, Microsoft is also documenting the fact that they've added some new dialogues in the activation settings for the Change Product Key dialog, the Troubleshoot dialog, and also the phone activation and retail demo to match the Windows 11 visuals. Talking about fixes, we have a fix for the Start menu. There have been some underlying improvements which should help address the issue where clicking your profile picture wasn't opening the Microsoft Account Manager for some insiders after the latest flights. Also related to the Task Manager, we have a few fixes. Fix an issue where after adding the new CPU utility column, you might notice that system idle process always showed at 0, and they also fix an issue where the CPU graphs in the performance page were still using the old CPU utility calculations. Related to the Narrator app, Microsoft fixed an issue where the describe image feature of Narrator wasn't working, and also related to voice access, fix an issue where support for more descriptive and flexible languages on Copilot Plus PCs wasn't working as expected. Also, we have two new known issues. First of all, starting in the last flight, when virtualization-based security is enabled, applications dependent on virtualization, such as VMware Workstation, lose the ability to run unless the Windows Hypervisor platform Windows optional component is installed on the system. Previously, installing the optional component was not required. And also related to the taskbar and system tray, in some cases, taskbar icons may appear small even though the setting to show smaller taskbar buttons is configured as never. So this is basically the latest build for the beta channel. Don't forget that you're going to have additional information on the article below in the video's description or on the official Microsoft blog post. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.